focus. I like these little disposable masks. They're the most comfortable of the masks that I have. I have all kinds of masks. Sometimes I have masks that match my outfit. Sometimes I don't. But these little guys right here, these disposables, they're the best. Alright guys, today is just a busy freaking day. Super duper busy. So I'm just gonna show you guys kinda how my day goes, and hopefully you kinda get a gist of what it's like to kinda be your own boss and work for yourself and do everything yourself. We'll see how this goes. Alright, let's go. It's pretty good haze on it. Alright guys, got a pretty busy day. Well, I'm already in the middle of a pretty busy day, honestly. Earlier I had to put together a worksheet for my comics and animation class. Right now I'm working on a I guess it would call it, it's kind of like a trace caricature that I'm doing real quick in Illustrator for a client. Get that over to her real quick, and then I have to give a quick workshop on comic book scripting in about an hour or so. So no need to even mess around. Let's just get to work. All right, y'all, back to work with me. Good coffee. Went down the wrong throat. The wrong pipe. I'm about to choke to death. It's all good. Let's get to work. Cool. There we go. All right. Whew. Alright guys, so let me explain this project real quick. I'm working with a client. She's doing a series of short films on black entrepreneurs all over the country, and one of the things she asked me to do was she wanted me to do these caricatures of the entrepreneurs so that she could use them in kind of various different purposes for the short film series. So it don't really pay that much. So to mitigate that, I had to come up with a shorthand in order to make this work, at least for me and time wise. And what I came up with was basically I'm doing these caricature style tracings in Illustrator, and just basically 1 to 2 colors, pop them in, pop, make sure I get it looking pretty good. It's kind of a very basic caricature. It's really just a tracing where I pick and choose what I wish to highlight with my black line, and then everything else is just filled in with color. So very basic, very simple, very quick, so I can just pop these out as quickly as possible. So that's the project that I'm working on now. I'm getting it wrapped up. I'll be working on this off and on for a while, but just wanted to come up with a quick shorthand so that I could just get it in, get it out, and not spend more than maybe 2 hours at the most on any given drawing. So let me get back to work, but that's basically the project, and yeah, it's coming out pretty dope. Yo, checking in with you.
Everything cool. We doing something today?
Tomorrow. Tomorrow, it's, regular time.
That's to Shara, right?
No, that's going to be Janita. I think Tashara is next week.
Is this a Zoom or is this in person?
It's supposed to be in person. But I'll make sure. Bring your Zoom stuff just in case.
Well, I'm bringing it. It's all there is. It's the same stuff.
Oh, okay. Oh, shit. We're good to go then.
Yes, Mr. David.
How's it going, guys?
What's up?
How's it going?
Good.
That's good. Guys got your mask on and everything?
Yeah.
That's good. That's good.
We have to be into the classes together.
All right, when you guys get your worksheets, just in the email, when you get your worksheets in the email, just go ahead and open it up. It's not going to be too hard to follow along. What we're talking about right now is script format, and how do you come up with a script for a comic book. So the very first thing that you guys are going to have to decide is how many panels are you going to have per page. Most comic books, okay, most comic books we try not to go past 6 panels. Now you got some people, they'll put like 10 panels on the page. All right. Couple things, guys. So you guys saw me doing my Google Meet. It wasn't Zoom, so I want to give props to Google, because I actually kind of like Google Meet a little bit better than Zoom. It just works a little bit better for me anyway. Get that focus right. So I haven't really shown too much of what I do with my class, because just reasons. But I thought because I was doing something virtual that it would be kind of cool for you guys to see just how we're handling teaching and working with kids in the pandemic. And it's tough. It's definitely kind of hard to get the kids sometimes to focus. I think they're they're trying their hardest, but they're just super distracted. So I think that's always going to be a concern in this situation, but what can you do? We got to work through it. But the comics and animation program that we put together at Jennings. This is our 4th year doing that program, and it's one of the things I'm most proud of because pretty much built it from the ground up. Obviously had a lot of help from my partner in crime, Miss Kelch. Shout outs to Miss Kelch. She's kept me grounded and really, you know, she's gone to school for, she's a teacher. She's, you know, she's got all the degrees and stuff. So she knows how it works with the school district, making it easy for me to just build the, hey, this is what we need to teach, all that type of stuff. So working with that class has really been one of the best things that's ever happened, and I'm very happy with it. And it's one of those things, like when I do my tutorial videos, I love that aspect of giving back and helping others find their moment, their love for this profession that we do, which is, you know, creating comics and cartoons and all that good stuff. So just wanted to touch on that for a minute. That's one of the things I really I'm proud of. So just wanted to let you guys know that. And yeah, back to work. Why are you fussing with Robin, Mom?
I don't think I did anything for her to call you. I think that's just unnecessary harassment of you.
What? So what's the problem, Mom?
I don't have a problem, babe. She's just unnecessarily harassment. Is victim intimidation.
Is victim intimidation, Mom? Is victim intimidation? Whew. Oh man. Whew. All right. Yeah. Whenever I getting ready to wrap the day up, wrap the trash up, set it by the door so I don't forget to grab it and take it out. Yeah, guys. That's pretty much it. This is just a regular day in the studio. Hope you guys kind of got an idea of how things go, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, please go ahead and hit the thumbs up button and go ahead and share this all over the internet. If you guys are new, what's up? Please consider subscribing. Once again, thank you guys. Thank you. We hit 1,000. Now we gotta go for 2, then 3, then 4. We just gonna keep going. So thank you guys so much. If you guys want to get a hold of me, you can always reach me on Twitter and Instagram at DKG72. I have a Facebook fan page and a TikTok. That's David Gordon 72. And if you really like what you see on the channel and you want to support, go ahead and hit the link to my Patreon in the description below and choose a tier when you go over there. Alright guys, I'm tired. I gotta edit up this video, get it uploaded, and I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.